Imagine a world where transactions are completed swiftly, transparently, and without the need for intermediaries. This is the promise of blockchain technology, a dynamic force reshaping our digital landscape. At its heart, blockchain is a digital ledger that not only powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but also holds the key to transforming industries across the board. Welcome to the Cryptoholics Corner, your hub for all things crypto. Join us as we dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, uncovering insights, sharing news, and demystifying the complexities of this exciting digital frontier. Stay tuned for enlightening episodes, and remember, fellow cryptonauts, the crypto universe is vast, and together we'll navigate its depths. Blockchain operates on a decentralized network of computers known as nodes, where each node stores a copy of the entire ledger. Transactions are grouped into blocks, which are then linked together in chronological order, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, ensuring data integrity and making the entire chain resistant to tampering. This immutability and transparency make blockchain a highly secure and trustworthy system for recording transactions and storing data. Blockchain technology serves as the foundational framework supporting cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital currencies rely on blockchain to create a secure, transparent, and decentralized system for recording and confirming transactions. When a user wants to make a cryptocurrency transaction, such as sending Bitcoin to someone else, the transaction is shared with a network of participants. This network consists of nodes, which are computers connected to the blockchain network. The transaction is combined with other pending transactions to create a block. Miners who actively participate in the blockchain network play a crucial role in validating transactions. These miners use powerful computers to compete in solving complex mathematical puzzles. This process, called mining, demands significant computational work and energy usage. The first miner to solve the puzzle earns the chance to validate and append the block of transactions to the blockchain. After a miner validates a block, it becomes part of the existing chain of blocks, forming a chronological sequence. Once confirmed, the cryptocurrency transaction becomes a permanent entry in the blockchain. This means that all participants in the network can confirm the transaction's legitimacy and specifics, enhancing the transparency and security of the transaction process. This transparency prevents fraud and the unauthorized spending of the cryptocurrency, as all participants share the same verified information. Blockchain technology offers more than its fundamental role in cryptocurrencies. It has a variety of advantages and uses. One of the key benefits is decentralization, which eliminates the need for middlemen like banks. This absence of intermediaries not only lowers transaction fees, but also speeds up transactions, making them more efficient and economical. Another important use is the idea of smart contracts. These contracts are self-executing and have predefined rules built directly into the blockchain. Consequently, they enable automated and trustworthy agreements between parties. This concept can have a positive impact on different industries by simplifying various business processes. It does this by removing the need for manual verification and middlemen, thus increasing efficiency and decreasing errors. Various sectors such as supply chain management, healthcare, and voting systems have started utilizing the potential of blockchain technology. For supply chain management, blockchain improves transparency by allowing real-time tracking of goods and verifying their origins. In healthcare, it securely stores and shares patient data, ensuring data integrity and privacy. Additionally, voting systems can take advantage of blockchain's unchangeable nature and transparency, reducing the likelihood of fraud and improving overall electoral credibility. Through improved transparency, security, and responsibility, blockchain technology offers inventive solutions to long-standing issues in different fields. Its decentralized nature, along with smart contracts, opens up possibilities for a new era of efficiency and dependability. This could potentially change how industries function and communicate. As technology advances, it's likely that more innovative applications will emerge, further establishing blockchain's role as a transformative power in today's digital world. Blockchain technology, with its promising potential, is facing significant challenges that need careful consideration. One major obstacle is scalability. As more transactions and participants join a blockchain network, it can struggle to handle and verify transactions efficiently. This can lead to slower transaction times and higher costs, making it less practical for widespread use in high-demand situations. Another concern is energy usage. Many blockchain networks, especially those using proof-of-work like Bitcoin, require a lot of computational power and energy. This has raised concerns about the environmental impact of blockchain, especially in a world focused on sustainability and energy efficiency. Regulatory issues also cast a shadow over the blockchain landscape. The decentralized nature of blockchain challenges traditional regulations, creating questions about how to ensure legal compliance, prevent fraud, and protect consumers while still allowing for innovation. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are grappling with these challenges, aiming to find a balance between fostering technology and maintaining oversight. Despite these difficulties, the future of blockchain technology looks positive. Ongoing research is focused on solving scalability and energy usage problems. New consensus methods like proof of stake aim to lower energy consumption while keeping security and decentralization intact. Layer 2 solutions such as Bitcoin's Lightning Network work to improve scalability by handling transactions of the main blockchain and settling them later. Furthermore, blockchain's use is expanding across various sectors. Apart from cryptocurrencies, industries like supply chain management, healthcare, finance, and even art authentication are exploring how blockchain can boost transparency, traceability, and security. These applications hint at the future where blockchain streamlines processes, reduces inefficiencies, and builds trust in many fields. The future of blockchain holds promise, with innovations in consensus mechanisms and the increasing integration into diverse sectors indicating a transformative potential that could reshape industries in the way we interact with digital systems. Thank you for joining us here at the Cryptoholics Corner. We hope you enjoyed today's insightful discussion about all things blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Remember, knowledge is key in the ever-evolving world of crypto, and you're taking important steps on your journey to becoming a true cryptonaut. If you found this video helpful or intriguing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. We love hearing from our fellow cryptonauts.